a hassle-free solution to place multiple orders in one go. Here's how to place basket order on TX3. First, go to the trade section on top of your terminal. Then select basket order from the down list and select normal order. Now you will see a window where you can create customized basket as per your trading objective. Select all the details such as exchange segment, order type, product type, validity, instrument name, symbol, quantity and price. Now hit enter key or click on add button. Just like this, you can add a total of 10 stocks in one basket. Once your basket is ready, click on place button to place the orders. Confirm and you're done.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.